One of the most amazing things that's happened, even in my lifetime, is the prediction of cosmology. When I started out 40-odd years ago, we thought we knew that the universe began with a Big Bang. Some people doubted even then. We thought the universe was about 10 or 20 billion years old. But now, for really very sound scientific reasons, we can say that the universe did start with a Big Bang, and it's 13.8 billion years old. So it's not 14, it's not 13, because a decimal point in there. And that's a stunning achievement to know that. And we also know that the laws of physics that apply to tiny particles inside atoms also explain what happened with the Big Bang. You can't have one without the other. A very neat example of this is that when you apply nuclear physics, that kind of physics to understand how stars works, you find out that the oldest stars in the universe are about 13 billion years old. So the universe is just a little bit older than the stars. Fantastic. Even if we had done it and counted in the other way around and said that the stars were older than the universe, we would say silence were in deep trouble. But it's not. Everything fits together, and we know how the universe began. We got to know how the way it is. The future, that I'll suspect, we don't know quite well what's going. But we get some idea, which are as good as those ideas we had 40 years ago about how the Big Bang happened.